Turkey. We are currently at Duden Waterfall. We've come here to see the actual waterfall itself. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, subscribe, share and comment upon which are your favourite waterfalls and would you ever visit this. So actually we're just halfway through walking down to the base of the waterfall. There's no actual like a boat that drives up to it. Yeah, so super excited to go see it. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you when I get to the waterfall.
Hello dear. How's it going?
Absolutely beautiful. Highly recommended location if you ever come to Antalya. Have to visit this waterfall. It's absolutely stunning. I think we've just kind of like hijacked the corner and everyone needs to be down here now.
It's absolutely beautiful, gorgeous place. Definitely recommend it.
Yeah, I just can't get my eyes off the actual waterfall itself. And watching the speed that the water's coming down at, it blows your mind, literally, because you think, oh my God, it's got a lot of here. This is how things started. I mean, this is just a glimpse of Allah's mercy. What mercy are we going to get in Jannah itself? So we're very, very lucky to be honoured with poor Muslims and have that accessibility, inshallah.
Sounds quite philosophical, doesn't it? Wonder where she gets that from.
It's going to take all my makeup off. It's that powerful. But alhamdulillah, we've come right down to the bottom and trying to press carefully so I don't slip. But I'm going to show you the waterfall now. Here at the waterfall, you'll find plenty of places to sit down, walk around and appreciate the natural beauty that there is here. It's also got its own park. There's parrots that you can play, that you can have photos with. It is so beautiful. You need about a good hour to walk around. It's also a restaurant where you can enjoy the views of the waterfall as well. So I do highly, if you're in Antalya, I do highly recommend that you come here, you visit. It takes you a couple of hours to stay here and just sit and relax and listen to the noise of the waterfall, because honestly it's so soothing and relaxing. It's really hot in the middle of August, but you can still enjoy the beauty of it. Duden Waterfall is one of the most famous waterfalls that you'll find in Antalya. As soon as you come into this area, you feel like you've entered into another universe and you start appreciating the natural beauty that you see around you. Duden Waterfall is a natural falls that happened, and I highly recommend that you do visit it. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and ring that notification bell to be notified of any time I upload. And also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter to see inside videos of what I actually got up to while I was in Turkey. And I will see you on the next video, guys. Take care everyone. Bye.